Just need to hook up our trailer. So here's the kind of our setup. We've got a Victory Cross Country Tour. It's a beautiful touring bike, and we pull a Bush Tech trailer. Okay, let's see if I have it hooked up. We'll go try the left blinker. Good, looks good. Left blinker is good. Now we'll go to the right blinker. Right blinker is good. Blinker's good. Blinker's good. Now we'll try the hazards. Hazards look good. Looks good. And looks good. Follow along, everybody. Subscribe. Let's go. Let's do a ride to Sturgis, South Dakota.